Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to do it on TikTok. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, and as a first step to do it on TikTok, choose the video you wanna do it with. For example, I'll choose this one. Then tap on the share icon. So this will pop up. And as you see here, the Duet option appears. So tap on it. We're gonna wait a little bit. Now you'll move to the phone camera where you can make a video to react or comment on the video. You can flip the camera by tap on this option. Also, you can add filters. Now record your video, and the other video will be played automatically. Once you're done, tap on the Nike symbol and post your video. Now, I just want to mention that it ain't work with all videos. For example, as you see here, the duet option is on gray, so you can make a duet with that video. And to disable duet, you'll find it on the video that will appear on the screen. And this is it. This is how to do it on TikTok. Thanks for watching. See ya!